Hey you guys, what's up? So I just got dressed for Columbia Fashion Week. I did a little reel, so I might put it in the beginning of this video. I'm out of breath because I've been going upstairs. I'm also sick and I'm not feeling my best. You know what? I'm not sick. I am not feeling 100%, but I'm healed by the stripes of Jesus. Okay, so I was looking for my charger. I just found it and I'm getting ready to plug that up. Then I have to take Alana to work. If y'all don't know who Alana is and you're new, that's my daughter. She's 17 years old, and she is a working young woman. And so I'm taking her to work and then getting some medicine for my son Tyler because he hasn't been feeling 100% either. And so just getting us taken care of, and then I'm going to the opening of the Columbia Fashion Week office. So this is the outfit of the day that I have. If y'all are used to the channel or me on Instagram, you've seen this outfit a couple of times at this point, but I decided to put it on again. I want to get as much wear out of my clothes, way more than what I used to. I used to be this woman that didn't even like being seen in the same outfit twice, and so here I am, wearing it more than one time. And I think this is actually the first event that I've even went to in this. Everything else has just been like pictures for Instagram. So yeah, I'm wearing these, oh God, I can't think of her name, but I'll tag her name and I'll put it in here, down here. But I love these earrings. They're butterfly. And then I have on a suit that has just like multiple different roses of some type of flowers. But like I said, you may have seen it before. And then it's a pair of shorts with a blazer. So I love it because it's kind of like perfect for the weather. It's not too hot, not too, you know, you can wear it in the cold or in the heat basically. So yeah, that's what's going on. Ooh, bad lighting. So that's what's going on. I'm just gonna finish getting ready, put something else on these lips, brighten them up a little bit more, maybe do a little something to the cheeks and the eyes, and yeah, y'all will come along with me. I wanted to vlog this experience, hopefully meet some cool people that I'll get to either interview for 9-5 or that, yeah, maybe I'll collab with or something. So I'm excited. Hey you guys, what's up? So I'm in the car now, getting ready to head to Columbia Fashion Week. So like I said, y'all are coming along, so let's get there. All right, you guys, so still on the way. I've been listening to Ty Tribbett. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but if you aren't familiar, then please check him out. The song is fire, okay? The whole album. So anyways, just wanted to come on here real quick and tell y'all that I'm just thankful to be actually having an outing. It has been literally forever since I've actually been out. Camera's too close. So it's been literally forever since I actually been out of the house by myself and doing something for myself. I did like a little mini self-care date. I don't know, something. Oh gosh, it's dark. I can't even see me. Y'all can't see me. The lighting is horrible. But yeah, it's been a while since I've done anything just for myself. Sorry about the bad lighting right now, but I did a self-care date for myself a couple weeks ago. It's been probably at least a month now, so I'm thankful that I can actually just get out the house and do something for me, because most of you who follow me or have been following me for years, you know that I'm like all about my kids. You know, it's just the kids and Kelly, the kids and Kelly. So to be able to just get out the house, do something for me, yeah, I'm excited. And like I said, I'm hoping that I meet some new people. I'm a little bit nervous. I probably seem like an extrovert to a lot of you, but I'm not. I am a true, genuine introvert. And even when I'm not doing something for the kids, I am just in the house working on something that I really love to do. Like one of my gifts or callings, and turn this radio down, no copyright. But I'm always just working on something like that, you know, God has really given me to do, and to work on, whether it's music, whether it's fashion, or whether it's something for the kids. And so I'm always literally in the house. I literally work from home. When I tell you in the house, I'm in the house. But anyway, I don't want to ramble. I just wanted to come back on here and yeah, say how excited I am about actually getting out of the house. right, you guys, so I made it downtown. I am on Lady Street currently, and this is actually the same area where I had the award for Columbia Fashion Week, most fashionably dressed, and I think it was like one of these buildings. I want to say it was this one. So yeah, very exciting stuff. So now I am trying to find the location. I'm just gonna walk around a little bit because I'm early, and I'm also taking some kind of real video as well. And I hope y'all can hear me okay because it's a lot of cars. So I'm also trying to get like a little bit of everything. So walking across the beautiful bridge, I love all the things, all the things, all the things. It's just beautiful here. I'm really hoping my camera doesn't fall. But just walking along the bridge. We'll find out together. Oh yeah, let's see. Hello. Hey, how are you? Hi, how are you doing? Good, how are you? Alright, I'm about to, I guess, get checked in. So I'll be right back. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys Lauren. So let me show you Lauren, our cousin. There's that girl on the poster, as she should be. Our beautiful cousin Lauren. And yeah, just had to go ahead and shout her out. She was Columbia Fashion Week's model for last year. Right, and I think I'm about to get checked in. All right, y'all, so I'm here. They're just getting started. A couple people here already, but they have some. I'm gonna just show you their spread here. Not little spread, nice spread here. So I'm gonna get me some items to munch on and connect with some more people. Myself, but I was like, let me let them get together first. What's your name? Maya. Okay, Maya, I'm Kelly. I think I just sent you a message, I think, on Instagram. Yeah. Okay, and what's your name? I'm Zahara. Zahara, I love that. Zahara. I love it. Pretty. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I'm Kelly, just plain simple Kelly. But I have a fashion industry ministry. It's called 9-5. It stands for being dressed to the nines while free inside. I know we still want to look good, but I also want to see our women be free. See you have your connection with Jesus. I used to have a really bad shopping addiction, so I just like to have really that balance and help other women have that balance as well. So I'm on YouTube. If you want to subscribe to the channel, it's literally the number 9 and then FI or 9-5. But yeah, it's so nice to meet y'all. Thank you. Y'all mind being on the vlog? No, I will be. Yo, look at these beautiful ladies. Hey, vlog. Tell them who you are. Tell them what y'all do. Come on.
I'm Maya. I work with Columbia Fashion Week with the styling team and recruiting like designers and stylists as well for the show.
Awesome.
And my name is Zahara. I am an entrepreneur. I have my own handbag business. I love to crochet, and most of my products are crochet products. So shop with me at Centered Sew. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well.
Yes, follow me on Instagram, MYA_GRAHAM_.
Main Instagram is _CAHARAELLE.
Yes, subscribe to this channel. Yes, support Kelly.
Thank you, ladies. Y'all are so sweet.
hope that we get to network and connect more. I'll put their information in the description box below, ladies. Bye.
All right, y'all, so I met some amazing women. It's been really cool, but I think I'm about to head out. You know, I'm a little bit of an introvert, and so I feel that coming out. I actually did get invited to something else going on downtown, so I might go hang out with the person that I met and see what he's talking about, just to chill, hang out a little bit, and then head on, pick up Alana from work, and have a good night at home. All right, you guys, so I did meet up with the person that I was supposed to meet up with, and we just walked a little bit downtown. Well, he basically walked me to my car and that was cool. After that, I just drove to, I'm actually ending the night at Target before I go get Alana from work. So that's where I am right now. No better way to end the night than Target, my second home. This is actually, it's been a while since I actually been in Target. I think I've been here to like run an errand or something, so it's been a little while. But I'm just in here to look around. I'm not getting anything, on a budget, very strict budget right now. But I thought I'd come look before I get Alana from work. She works like right up the street, so I'm just gonna check things out, see what they have here, and I'll probably end up speeding up the end of this video, just close it on out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing my point of view, my life at the grand opening of Columbia Fashion Week office. It was very cool. Oh, hold on, let's talk about this real quick. So, what y'all thinking? Target used to be so hot, y'all, back in the day. They still got some cute stuff. I like Wild Fable. Wild Fable is still cool. Yeah, you can get away with some stuff here. Can you see it? What you think? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Are y'all still feeling Target? Are you still wearing Target? Feel like you can still find some items here that are nice. Let's see, what's this? I don't know. Is that a hit or a miss? Let me pull it out. Y'all see that? It's alright, right? It's alright. Can't go wrong with the simple black dress. That's cute, satin. So yeah, they still a little bit of Target for the win. A little bit. Alright. Well, this is kind of cute. Y'all, look at this. I might actually get this. Not tonight. I'm on a budget. But I might actually get this. Let me show y'all better. This is actually not too bad. I'm loving this. Okay. So they're supposed to actually have a new collection. I think it's oh God, how do you say her name? It's Barfield. I know her last name is Barfield. I think it's Kalana or Kalani. And she has a new collection coming out at Target. I'm not sure if it's going to be at this Target, the one that I'm at now. They need a little bit of help, but yeah. Anyways, like I said, I'm just going to walk around a little bit and see what they do have. Kind of window shop, if you will. Because
The time is now 9:30 and our registers will close in 30 minutes.
No.
Make your final selection.
I got 30 minutes. So, yeah, guess we got 30 minutes left in here. But hopefully they're gonna put the collection out here, so I'll come back and show it if they do. See you guys later. I'm out.